आता खबर विस्तारान. सोऱ्याचेर 1-2 रुपया दर वाडयलो म्हण फरक पडना. मात वायन आनी फेणीचेर एक्सायज ड्युटी वाडोवची न्हय. कारण वायन काजरांक खातीर सामान्यांतल्या सामान्य मनशाक घेवपाक परवडपाक जाय. ह्या संदर्भात हांव मुखेलमंत्र्या कडेन उलोवणी करतलो अशें मंत्री मायकल लोबो उलयला. RD एक्सपो खातीर पर्राच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Tourists who are coming to Goa, they are coming on a short holiday of 2 days, 3 days, some come for a week. The excise duty which is increased on liquor will not affect that, because still Delhi, Mumbai and Karnataka and other states of India will still have 40% more price, 30% more price over there. Whereas the prices of liquor in Goa is not so much. Even after the increase, still 35% to 40% more will be in states of Delhi and Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune. I have put up a very special point for our Goan weddings, for our Goan cultural functions, our social functions in Goa, where wine, the धाकटे खोपिसांवांनी wine दिता पळय तेजेर उलयला की ह्यो वायनाचो प्रायस इन्क्रीज जावंक जायना, because it is used traditionally for weddings and other occasions. Secondly, GI जे जाल्ले आहा कॅज्यू फेणी, आनी GI मेळपाचो आहा ती कोकोनट फेणी. ट्रेडिशनल आमचे उर्राक हेचेर प्रायस इन्क्रीज जावपाक जायना. This price has to remain the same. Increase in price for this will affect the Goans at large, and Goans will not like it. And our request to CM will be to keep the price of Kaju Fedi. You want to increase it 2 rupees, increase on a bottle, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, no problem. But wine increase करून जायना. Wine is very cheap price. It should be affordable to the poorest and the poor who is getting married. Because त्या टायमार तांकां 2 काशी हाडचे पडटा 300 लोकांक ते कालसिनी घालून दिवपाक. So गरिबांतलो गरीब should afford that wine. Will be my request to the Honorable Secretary.